Alright, boys and girls, we're going to do a very, very fast tutorial. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to rebuild a virtual machine specifically for The Sims once again to prove that whatever you're doing it wrong. Alright, so I would like to point out first that, dude, if you're watching this, I'm going to prove to you that I'm right and you're wrong. So for those of you who have had this problem and you've never confronted me about it so I can help you, I will show you what you're doing wrong. For starters, I want you to understand you need to extract it or run it as an ISO. If you don't know what an ISO is, it's just a fancy way of saying it's a container folder to make it look like a CD on the computer. That's literally all it is. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm just gonna do a zoom pass. You're gonna see everything I'm doing regardless. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the first part. You're gonna see it and it's gonna install and do that kind of stuff. So let's go ahead and do this. This folder. Yes, the Sims Complete Collection. I'm going to express this once again. Here it is. Shut up. And then the downloads. You don't need the downloads, but this is where all of my, not current, but I'll try to current them soon. Why did I get notified? Oh, now you tell me. You're late. The current, that's basically the modifications and other fun stuff like that. So go ahead and download that, and I will prove to you right here. See, I'm clicking on it, and this is the link I got from here. This is this link, and as you see, the link is not changing. It's the exact same link, and guess what? I am going to go here, and I'm going to download the damn thing. Download anyways. All right, and just because of that, we're also going to download this. I really hope that doesn't take that long. Anyways, I'm gonna let that download, I guess. Alright, so for the next step, once again, including ISO and jar files. Alright, done, we're done. Hey, guess what? We're friggin' done. Now, guess what, boys and girls? I'm gonna show you something really ridiculous, and you're not gonna get it. Holy crap! You still watching at this point? If you're not, that's your fault. Guess what? They're now all considered stuff. So, guess what you can do with this? Double click it. Alright, so we got that done. We're gonna do it one more time. So now we got part 1 and part 2. We no longer need these. Let's get rid of them. Blam, we're done. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and go to this. Now, we're going to troubleshoot a handful of stuff because apparently you guys don't know what you're doing. Okay, I don't know where this is in the video because I know that a lot of this is sped up, but do me a favor. In the comment section down below, if you were watching up to this point, I want you to timestamp and tell me exactly what I'm about to say. Oranges are good for you because vitamin C. Alright, we're going to hit the start button. Now, this is a very common problem. A lot of people have told me that this has happened to them on more than one occasion where they cannot get the game to run for some strange reason because they've clicked on this and for some weird reason it just will not open. Commonly, you can do multiple things in this circumstances. I will address a couple small things before I hit English. Now, what I will say is if that doesn't work, sometimes I don't know why double clicking is not working. I've heard This setup can work too. You can try that. This explains where all this comes from. It's actually pretty dope. You can also try that. Both of them work. I'm guessing that this more acts like a shortcut to the setup file. So we're going to go ahead and do this. Install. Now, for the love of God, please pay attention to this part. I have noticed so many people have come to me and said, Tara, I can't get this to work. And guess what? You know why you can't get it to work? Because you aren't watching my freaking video. Listen, people. You need to watch this step carefully. See where it says cracks? Go to it. You're going to go to serial. You're going to take this code and you're going to type it in. Unfortunately, I hate to say it, you're not going to get anywhere. The next step after that, once it's installed, I will show you what to do, but you go into this folder right here. You're going to take this, right click, and copy it. For the time being though, leave this open. Now, but first I will say, if you see this and this right here, these two files, these two things that are open, you can see, usually you can see where they're at in this circumstance. Yeah, open file location. You see, install shield. This is what you want. This is a good thing. Make sure if these two are up and running and you see this down below, it's running. If those are there and it is not running within about 30 seconds to a minute, open Task Manager, right click in task will usually kick it. Now what you're gonna do, once again, we're gonna go ahead, go to next, gonna install it right there. CMMD E8 HB. Oh, that is not a B, that is an N. 2 PP HZ7R HZ7R HSTH. Alright, the installation itself will take anywhere between 5 to 10 minutes, max 15. I don't think I've ever seen it take longer than that. So, once again, my time is currently at 41 minutes. So, that is how long so far it's taking. I will let you know where it's at once we get done here. I'm going to continue watching cells at work. By the by, never register this thing. You probably can't anyways. Just shut the hell up. Alright. So now that we got that, never try to run this game immediately because it will crash and you will not be able to get anywhere with it. So the next step you're obviously going to do, like I said, pay attention to this. Once again, please pay attention to what I'm about to say. At this timestamp, please... At this timestamp, please tell me what I'm about to say. Pokemon is cool. If you're wondering why I keep doing little timestamp things, it's mostly just to make sure who's watching and who's not watching. And I only need you to tell me that in the comments section to know that you actually have been watching this video. Alright, so now that we're in the Sims Complete Collection Cracks, we're going to go ahead and we're just going to do this. We're not going to cut it. We're just going to hit Control-C on my keyboard, which for you, it's the same thing more than likely. Or, you know, right-click copy just so you know I'm not bluffing or anything. Wow, that took up a lot. Wow, no wonder this thing needs to be 30 freaking gigs, dude. Holy crap. Whatever. Okay, so we're going to go under here, and now we're going to look for Maxis, and then we're going to go here, and we're going all the way down to delete this guy, and then we're going to pop this in, and that should fix that. But first of all, I get a couple questions about this once in a blue moon. People are saying, hey, what about the Sims Creator? Can we get that fixed? Yeah, hold on, actually. I actually have to say that this is probably the one that you can actually trust. If it's by archive.org, just try this one out, see if it works. I guess we could test it out as well while I'm here. Oh, we done? Cool, we're done. I have no idea. I have no earthly clue if that's going to work, but we're not here to test that just yet. We'll test that after we test the game. So first of all, let's talk about a couple things that do tend to happen with this game. We're going to send this to desktop. A couple things that I get requests all the time about. People say, hey, the game isn't loading. I get the load loop effect. I get this, that, and the other. Okay, so first of all, do me a favor. Please take the shortcut part off. Just do that. If that ever happens, your best bet is to go to, security. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? Just in the details, general, advanced. Where is it? Shortcut, my bad. Under target, I'm going to do this just in case to make life easier for myself, just so I can see everything going on. And we're just going to do that. If that does happen, any of those problems, most of the time what can actually fix it is the capability mode. You can run it like this. Run this program as capability mode, and you can run any of these. For the sake of argument, we're not going to do that. This is louder than you think on my end. This is loading incredibly fast. There it is. Normalizing social networking. Social networking? Social network. Alright, let's see how long this takes. See if it actually does it all the way through, or is it going to give us the load loop? Not responding. Oh no. I don't know. We'll find out. It's either going to crash, because I've never... Actually, the game's never crashed on me like this before. The game has crashed. Like, straight up just closed itself, but not in window mode. Okay! That's a first! I've never seen that. Okay, so I just clicked on a random lot. I actually didn't mean to click that, but whatever. We're already here. I think one of my favorite things about this game is that the first thing that it does when you load up a new place, it always does that, right? It's doing like 4 different intros kind of thing. I need a house. This will work. Just use them. Okay, I was just checking to make sure that was where... Wait a second. Okay, God, go away. Let me see what happens if I try to minimize that. Okay, I didn't know whether or not if that was going to mess things up. Okay, never mind. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and close it. And now we're going to do a couple small things. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to remove this full screen. Like I said, I'm honestly more surprised that this is running like it is right now, because usually when I try to get this game to work in any virtual machine, well, not virtual machine, when I usually have to get this game to up and run, it's not this easy, to be honest. It doesn't just run like this, which is sort of surprising. Alright, so we did that. Let's see what it does. Let's see if it does the same thing. Wow, I did not expect that. What? Holy crap, I've never... Can we, like, stop doing that over and over? Okay. Shut up. Okay, shut up. Oh, that's right, you're the crazy cat lady. Forgot about that. Okay, because commonly, when you, like, minimize and you go back to the game, it would do that. Now, I don't know. Maybe this is because it's Windows 7. I don't know. But Windows 7, in my opinion, was the last good operating system of Windows and stuff. So, whatever. Anyways. So, what I'm going to show you real quick, how to fix a couple problems. You're going to go to Properties. Oh, wait. For the slow people, you go to this icon, right-click, Properties. You're going to see where it says Capability Mode. you're going to hit the run. You're going to click on 3, or you can click on 7. Try which one works the best for you now. And then you can also do run as administrator. Hit apply. That should fix most of your issues. Now, as for those of you who are saying, hey, but what about the Sims creator? All right, hang on. What? Oh, I know. Okay, hold on. I know exactly why. This is like, all this is just, I know exactly what that is, so hang on a minute. Oh, so we're just, don't worry about that. You don't need to worry about that at the moment. So the Sims creator, this is literally just, there we go. You're just going to take this, you're going to cut it, just right click, hit cut. You're going to look for the Sims creator, which is going to be back one file right here. You're just going to delete this. Then you're going to paste it. And guess what? That should actually fix it. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Alright, there you go. That should actually fix your problem. I get this question once in a blue moon, and there you go. Archive.org had it. It's literally as simple as google.com. Like, seriously, guys, come on. Anyways, so that's really all you need to know. If you've been to my channel, you've seen my video, and you've seen it a dozen times, and you keep getting the same fucking response, I'm telling you guys, I know what I'm talking about. This is like the 4th fucking video I have done. See? It's like the 4th or 5th fucking video I've done. Guys, please watch my videos. They are not here for entertainment. They are here for instructions. Look, I know my hour, I'm almost at an hour doing this, 53 minutes. But seriously, please, for the love of God, watch the fucking video. So a couple things I will say before the very end of the video. First of all, I'm going to put this on my community timeline, so please do me a giant favor. Go here. You can go to my community, and if you need my help, you are more than welcome to post on my community wall, and you are more than welcome to post in one of these if you need my help still now. You can also come to this Discord. Copy paste that in there for the smart people. You know how that works. Otherwise, whatever. I will be posting this video on my wall once I get it done. And that time is completely wrong. It is actually 3 a.m. That's funny. Anyways, I hope this video was useful. I hope that it helped fix a lot of issues. I'm deleting this Google Drive, not Google Drive, I'm deleting this Windows 7 virtual machine. If you need me to do it on any other virtual desktop, let me know. I will see what I can do. No, it will not install on Windows 98. Stop trying. Good fucking God. And to know that you watched all this video, put down in the comment section, just say this: crystal meth. Alright, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and come back for more videos on anything you need help with. Later!